Behind me I have a building with an entrance with two cabinet unit heaters. One of them is down. And the problem is that there's water protection sprinklers in there, so without the heaters running, the pipes burst in the winter. It's late October and one of them is not working. I'm gonna open it up and see what's wrong with it. Here's our vestibule with cabinet unit heater and a second one here that's not operating. So I'm gonna open this one up and see what the problem is. Here are the recessed water sprinkler heads. There's one there and one there. So twice over the last 18 years, we've had pipes burst because of lack of heat during the winter. One was on Christmas, December 25th, and the other one I don't remember, but it was really cold and the pipes did burst. Just take a look at that motor and capacitor, see how rusted it is. I went ahead and turned the shaft by hand and it's very stiff. So right away I know that motor needs to be replaced. I also checked the breaker and it was not tripped. So we're just gonna go ahead with a motor replacement. I'm picking up the new blower motor. I'm a little bit apprehensive because this single phase motor is not a typical PSC motor, which is permanent split capacitor. It does not have a capacitor. It's a shaded pole. So that means it doesn't have a capacitor, and I guess I'm a little bit apprehensive if it's going to work or not once I install it. In theory, it's supposed to work. A fan motor with low torque on a shaded pole should start spinning and rotating and providing my CFM required. All right, I got the new motor with a dual shaft. Same half-inch shaft on each side. What I want to do is take off the wheels and put them back in about the same position. So I'm going to make me a little template or something, or a measurement, and switch them over. The wheel is not put on with a set screw in this type. It looks like a spring. But I should be able to deal with that as long as it's not rusty and breaks off. Otherwise I have to get another one, but let's not speculate. Just go through the process and put these wheels on this shaft. And as you can see, here's the PSC motor with the capacitor. This is the shaded pole with no capacitor. It does have a top, so keep that in mind. All right, I'm going in with this pair of wire strips. And by the way, my name is Tom. I am a facilities maintenance technician. There we go. Take the other one off. Hey, what's up, Ken?
Hey, Tom. How's it going?
It's going good. Number 2. All right, plastic wheel on rusty shaft. It's working. Yeah, it's coming off. It's cool. It's working. Just takes a little bit of time. It's off in one piece, so that's great. All right, your rusty crusty motor. Put that right on the flat side of the shaft. Get some oil. So here's my little measuring device. So wheel goes there. See, I don't know if you see the two marks on the, it's like a little strip of laminate or something. Then I got two marks over here. Over here, 1 and 2. So I'm gonna line up as best I can. All right, threw some oil in the shaft. Oops. All right, using my little meter stick. Yeah, that's what was needed. Okay, now we're going to adjust the wheels. Because we are running. This one needs to go that way. Look at that. Pretty good, not great. Where's the touch? A little bit more that way, I guess. I don't think it moved. Well, I guess it did move. Still gonna go a little that way because it's. I want to play this way. Oh, too much, I think. Yep. Too much. That's nice. That's nice and quiet. Free spinning. Consider myself lucky in those plastic blades and plastic wheels. Being old as it was, the way I had to tug on it to get it out. Oh, I gotta lock these up. Try these. This is what I took them off with. Just want to change the position of the blade. There we go. It's full open. Alright. I want the blade. There we go. It's on. Alright. Alright, one more. Probably not the best for my wire cutters. Got it. Alrighty. Next step is some wiring. We got the breaker off. plastic will touch that way. Unless I could put it on like that. I think that's how it's supposed to go on, so I'm gonna go with that. It's gonna rub. Yeah. Alright, so then you're gonna move it a touch that way. Gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, let's squeeze down the locking ring. Shift this a little bit. I don't think I shifted it at all. Oh, I did. All right, we'll go for that then. All right, spinning it. All right, so now we want to go the black and the white for the high speed because there's a speed controller on here. White, black. Grounding nut. Grounding bolt. I might be able to get this on there. There we go. Alright, new motor grounded. Alright, we're going to get some wire connectors and some straps. I'm going to turn the breaker on. Alright, breaker's on, thermostat is calling. Turn the speed controller on. Ramped up. And we're pushing out heat. that is a wrap. Thank you for staying to the end. If you could, hit the like button so the algorithm will push it to others. Thank you.